Welcome back to Techsplorer, where we break down the latest and greatest in mobile technology. Today, we are diving into the brand new Nubia Flip 2, a foldable phone that's all about combining innovation and functionality. With a 3-inch AMOLED cover display and a large 6.85-inch main screen, this phone is designed to turn heads. It also boasts a powerful 50MP main sensor, a 32MP selfie camera, and a 4225 mAh battery to keep you powered throughout the day. But is it just another foldable phone, or does it bring something unique to the table? Let's find out. Starting with the design, the Nubia Flip 2 is a masterpiece of engineering. Its 3-inch AMOLED cover display is not just there for aesthetics. It lets you check notifications, control music, and even use the rear cameras for selfies, all while the phone is folded. Once unfolded, the 6.85-inch AMOLED main screen offers an immersive experience for watching videos, gaming, or browsing. The phone's hinge mechanism feels robust and durable, with Nubia claiming it can withstand over 300,000 folds, ensuring it lasts for years. At just 8.2 mm thick when unfolded and available in obsidian black and pearl white, the Nubia Flip 2 is as stylish as it is practical. The 6.85-inch AMOLED main display is a showstopper. With full HD Plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR10 Plus support, it delivers vibrant colors and buttery smooth animations. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows or diving into intense gaming sessions, the display doesn't disappoint. The 3-inch AMOLED cover screen, though smaller, is equally impressive. It's ideal for quick tasks like checking notifications, taking selfies with the main camera, or even navigating simple apps. This dual display setup makes the Nubia Flip 2 stand out in the foldable market. Under the hood, the Nubia Flip 2 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, a tried and tested chipset known for delivering flagship-level performance. Paired with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, the phone handles multitasking and demanding applications effortlessly. Gamers will love the Adreno 730 GPU, which ensures smooth and lag-free gaming even in graphically intensive titles like Genshin Impact or Call of Duty Mobile. The phone also features an advanced cooling system to keep temperatures in check during long gaming sessions. On the software front, it runs Android 14 with Nubia's custom skin, offering a clean, user-friendly experience with plenty of customization options. The Nubia Flip 2 shines in the camera department as well. Its 50MP main sensor delivers stunningly detailed photos with accurate colors, even in challenging lighting conditions. Low-light photography gets a boost with the dedicated night mode, which enhances brightness and reduces noise for clearer shots. Video enthusiasts will appreciate the ability to shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second, with electronic image stabilization ensuring smooth and professional-looking footage. For selfies, the 32MP front-facing camera does a great job of capturing sharp and natural images. However, the standout feature here is the ability to use the cover display with the 50MP main sensor for ultra-high quality selfies. This makes the Nubia Flip 2 a game-changer for social media lovers. Battery life is another strong suit of the Nubia Flip 2. The 4225 mAh battery may seem modest, but it's optimized to handle the power demands of the dual displays and high-performance chipset. On average, you can expect a full day of moderate use, including streaming, gaming, and multitasking. When it's time to recharge, the phone supports 66W fast charging, which takes it from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. There is also support for 15W wireless charging, giving you the flexibility to power up however you prefer. The Nubia Flip 2 doesn't skimp on additional features. It comes with a side-mounted fingerprint scanner for fast and secure unlocking, as well as facial recognition for added convenience. The stereo speakers deliver crisp and balanced audio, making it perfect for entertainment on the go. Other notable features include 5G connectivity, dual SIM support, and an IP52 rating, offering resistance to dust and light splashes. Priced at around $999, the Nubia Flip 2 is positioned to compete directly with foldable heavyweights like the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. While those options offer similar features, the Nubia Flip 2 stands out with its larger cover display, innovative design, and competitive price point. So, is the Nubia Flip 2 worth your money? If you're looking for a foldable phone that combines style, performance, and practicality, this device is hard to beat. Its 3-inch cover display, 6.85-inch AMOLED main screen, and versatile cameras make it a solid contender in the foldable space. What do you think of the Nubia Flip 2? Would you choose it over Samsung or Motorola's foldables? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techsplorer for more in-depth reviews and tech news. Until next time, stay curious and stay tech-savvy.